I'm Francis Lapp, the CEO of Sunreef Yacht. We are catamaran luxury building in Poland. We start in 2002. This time today we launch more was 280 catamaran, and this market is growing and growing. We see now in Monaco this year. We'll see what is going. We see 2 weeks ago in Cannes. We have a lot of asking now. Rafael Nadal, Nico Rosberg, Fernando Alonso is coming to the catamaran. And we are very happy why this market is growing. First, I'm coming from Alsace, middle of the France, on the Switzerland. We have not seen nothing. I live in Poland. One friend of me, we buy one hobby cat. We make the Polish championship. After I go first time to the Paris boat show. I buy a 46 foot. I make this boat to Madagascar. I buy a second one for making charter business. On the end, I visit the shipyard again in France. I ask something more luxury. He said we not can do. We start Sunreef, the first Sunreef 74 for the charter. After the one client from Belgium, he ran 3 or 4 times chartered this boat. And at the end, he called me and said, "You not want to sell the boat?" I said, "Okay, why not?" And we sold the first 74. After the business is growing. And today we have 1,700 people in the factory. In Gdańsk, we have a lot of shipyards, a lot of engineering office also is in Poland for working for shipyards in Holland or in Germany. It's a lot of knowledge. Also, what is nice in our company, we have only women selling boats. We have one guy, but of 6 sell people, we have 5 women. I see for catamaran selling, you sell lifestyle, you sell only a boat. This is different. When you sell a boat, you say, okay, you have 2 engines, square meter is finished. Now we sell lifestyle. This is different. The people is surprised when it's coming first time on a catamaran. You see the living space. You not find on the monohull. I see when the client buy the boat, he's staying on the boat 2 times more what on his monohull before. We have Nico Rosberg example. All the summer, all the family staying on the boat. Now we stay on the 80 power. The owner is Rafael Nadal. Very interesting. He go to the Cannes boat show. He have a monohull before. He visit all stand. He stop in Sunreef, maybe 30 minutes. The year after, he stay 1 day on the boat show. End of the day, we meet him. We make a contract to him. It was nice. Why he's looking old. It's a guy, he knows what is boat. It's not he have never a boat before. He have boats, a lot of boats. He's living in Mallorca, and the sea is different. We are in Poland. He understands what he wants exactly. We start to create his boat. All Sunreef is custom totally. This is totally for him. We find only one same like this. You see Fernando Alonso last week, he buy also a 60 power, the same like this, a smaller. He will be in the marina in Monaco, but also full electric. Yes. Okay. All these people, I think most of these people want to have something eco. I think it's good marketing for us, but also for show to the people you can sell an eco boat and not big engine, big speed. Also, I see maybe 5-7 years ago, the people asking, what is the maximum speed of your catamaran? Oh, 25 knots, 21. Oh, it's not enough. We want 35 knots, example. Now, today, people is happy when it's going 12 knots, 15 knots, maximum speed, 15, 16 knots is enough. People not want to have the speed what before. We see on the asking we have is people want to have privacy. On an eco boat, you can stay 1 month on the boat. You not must go in for fueling, nothing. This is totally eco. 5 minutes ago, I meet one client. He have a big monohull. He's coming to us. His wife say, "We need a catamaran now. Why the living space, the beam of the boat is more space." You know, the people changing his mind, going to somewhere on the anchor, not in the marina, far from the other people. This you can do on the catamaran. Also in ecology, is more ecologic boats. Now we start to build full electric catamaran. Also, this is a new market for us. All model in Sunreef you can have in normal diesel, or you can have these models in electric or in hybrid also. We have some patent for the solar panel. It integrated in the hulls. And also in the next year we will start in hydrogen. Next year we will build 160. As we think that the length of the boat is not already between 60-70 foot. We will build the first hydrogen catamaran also. First time we make the 100 sailing. It's only you can buy in eco. You not can buy in diesel. This is the first boat. All the smallest different model you can choose diesel or eco, but the 100 series is only eco. I think in the future all new models you can buy only in eco. Why I think in the next 4-5 years the normal diesel will be out of the market for catamaran. For catamaran it's more easy for going to the eco. Why you have more space for the solar panel, what on the monohull. This is for sure.